Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can regain access to your lost or deleted Walmart account. Regaining access to your deleted Walmart account is not really simple, so simply follow through all the steps which I described in this video, and without further ado, let us get started. So first, when you open your browser and then you go to walmart.com and then try to sign into your account, you'll be bombarded with a different message. Let me show you for the demo. Here on the right hand side, simply click on the account option which says sign in and try to sign in. Enter the email address of the Walmart account of which you are trying to regain access and then click on continue. When you do that, you can see a pop-up message which says this account has been closed. Please refer to the email we sent for more details. So regaining access to this account is not really simple like other social media platforms where you can simply try to log in and it will automatically reactivate your account. The process with Walmart is actually really tricky, so simply follow through all the steps which I described in this video. As you can see, it says please refer to the email we sent for more detail. So first, what you want to do is open your email. So simply go to gmail.com or whichever email you are actually using. Here, search for the email which you received during the deletion of your account. As for me, I just deactivated my account recently, so you can see on the latest email which says we got your request, your account has been deactivated. If you didn't find this, you can simply search your mail in the search box by typing in we have deactivated your deleted account. When you do that, your search result is going to come up and you can select the mail which you received from walmart.com. As you can see the option here, hello, as you requested, we have deactivated your walmart.com account. So this is the email which you received during the deletion of your account. When you scroll down on the bottom, you can see if this information is incorrect, you don't need to do anything further. If you didn't request to deactivate your account, then please call us right away at this number. You can do so by calling through that number, or you can also see questions, then visit our help center. So what you want to do is simply click on the link. So you can simply click on the blue highlighted link which says help center. Once you click on help center, you will be taken to the customer support service. Wait for the new page to load up. Here you can see many options. On the left hand side you can see help topics such as new online experience, accounts and payments, manage orders, where is my order, returns and refunds, COVID-19, gaming consoles and others. What you need to do is you want to ignore all of this and scroll down until you see the option contact us. Here you can see the question which says didn't find what you were looking for, then simply select the blue button which says contact us. When you click on contact us, a new chat-like menu will open on the right side of your screen. So wait for the message to load up as it says hello, welcome to Walmart Help. So this is actually from an automated AI, from an automated agent. What you want to do is simply click on something else by ignore all of the three options and simply select something else. Wait for the pop-up message to come up, and as you can see it says choose a common issue from below or feel free to explain it in your own words. You can also choose to explain it in your own words by typing in need help regaining access to my account. So you simply select the option accounts and payments and wait for another message to pop up again. As you can see, I might be able to help you with that. Select an option below or choose something else to talk to an agent. What you want to do is simply select the option which says it's something else and wait for another message to come up. As you can see, it says that it can connect you to someone to help. So before you do that, you need to describe what you need in your own words. So simply type in, keep it very short and precise. I'm simply going to type in need help with regaining access to my deleted Walmart account. You could also type in anything. It doesn't necessarily need to be these words. Once you type it, simply click on the right side, click on send. As you can see, we will need to connect you to an associate to finish helping you with the issue. Please provide the email address for your Walmart account. So enter the email address of the Walmart account you are actually trying to regain access of. And once you do that, click on enter or click on send. As you can see the option which says okay, click on the below option to connect with us. You can see the option call me 1 minute wait, so simply click on it. You can also see what is the best phone number to reach you. Here, select the option. You can enter your phone number. As you can see, there is another confirmation message which says you will be connected to an agent shortly. Please remain on the page while we transfer you. So wait for the call, wait to receive your call. As you can see, a live agent is there on our chat which says good news, our agent Arun Kumar has joined the conversation. And another message is going to pop up again which says, hi, thank you so much for contacting Walmart.com. I'll be happy to assist you today. So here simply select again, need help regaining access to my deleted account. Now wait for the live agent to actually view your message. As you can see, there is another message by the live agent. He said, first of all, allow me to apologize for any inconvenience caused to you. Could you please give me more details about the issue? So here, explain your issue. Simply type in, I just deleted my Walmart account recently. Now I want to regain access to it. Just try to be polite while talking to live agent. Could you help me with that? Wait for the live agent to view your message and get back to you shortly. Please remain patient while this process is happening because it is really going to take a while. As you can see, there is another pop-up message by the live agent. He says, I completely understand your concern. Wait for another message to come up. You can also type in, is there any way I could regain access to my lost account? So here, once the live agent has responded to you, they will tell you all the instructions accordingly and they will help you regain access to your lost or deleted account. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, do leave a like, comment and subscribe. We will bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.